Hi everyone, today's topic is walking at home. Walking is the most popular form of exercise. Most of us love to walk for hours, and that is the only form of exercise that we have been doing for years. But since this pandemic started and we all are stuck at home, that's no longer possible. So we have to transition to a different form of exercise and different form of training. Today I'm going to show you 5 variations in walking that you can do at home that will not only challenge your balance but will also help strengthen your legs, your core and your arms. So let's get started. The first type of walk is called march walk. For this, you just have to start marching, lifting up your feet and moving your arms at the same time. Try to go as high as you can go when you're lifting your feet up. This is a very simple form of walk and can be done anywhere in your living room. If you have a large space or a small space, doesn't matter. Just march, picking up your feet as high as you can. The second exercise is side stepping. You just take steps sideways, back and forth. If you want extra challenge, you can also move your arms as you're stepping to the side. So this will involve a full body exercise. Try to go as fast as you can to get some cardio. The next exercise is backward walking. As you know, we always walk forwards, but backward walking is beneficial and works on your hamstring muscles and also your buttock muscles. For this, you just have to start walking backwards, lifting up your feet. If you want to make this exercise more challenging, just place your hands back and then just try to reach your heels up to your hands. Once again, you can go as fast as you can, or if you feel that you're not balanced well, try to go slower. The next exercise is walking with weights. As you can see, I have 2 bottles here with me. If you can use same 2 bottles if you have dumbbells, or if you have any other form of weight like books, you can use any of that while you're walking. And for this, you just walk plain and simple, holding on to the weights. Try to walk at your own regular pace. Walking with weights is more beneficial than your regular walking because it adds more weight in addition to your body weight, and that challenges your leg muscles more. If you want extra challenge when you're walking with the weights, try swinging your arms while you walk. Swing them as high as you can, and that will give you some more cardio exercise. The last exercise is similar to the one that we just did. Again, we are going to continue using the weights. This time the only difference is we are going to add some arm exercises while you're walking. So you just lift your arms up, holding on to the weights while you walk. This is beneficial because you're also working on strengthening your arms and getting a good cardio workout at the same time. So when you're doing this exercise, make sure you use a weight which is moderate amount. What I mean is it should not be too heavy for you or not too light, that it's too easy with the exercise. So it should challenge you a little bit when you're lifting your weights up. Please remember, each type of walk is to be performed for 1 minute and repeated for 3 to 5 times. That's the end for today. I hope you found these variations in walking enjoyable, and I hope you get to try them at your own time. If you like them, please do share with your friends and family, and I will see you next time. Bye.